Hey everyone, it's Luke here with CloudBooks 365, and today I'm going to be talking about how to set up your chart of accounts inside of CloudBooks 365. So at the core of every accounting system is its chart of accounts, and what these are different accounts such as asset accounts, which are things that you own, liability accounts, which are things that you owe, equity accounts, which are basically the profit of the company or of the organization, income accounts, which are the accounts that you use to record revenue, and then expense accounts, which are your operating expenses and other expenses such as grant expenses. So today we are going to be showing you how to set up an account within CloudBooks 365. So first of all, we would hit the little hamburger button, come to Accounts under the General Ledger menu, and you get presented with the Chart of Accounts screen. And this is a listing of all of the accounts that you have currently set up in the system. So we would click on the Add button, and this will take you into the Account Entry screen where you can add a new account. So let's add like a grant receivable account, and then this is going to be an asset account. And the account category is fairly important. It gives you a grouping of categories that are going to be showing up on the reports. So this is really a reporting category. So like we want, since this is a receivable account, we'll put it under accounts receivable. The is closing account means that if you have a revenue account or an expense account, you would check this box to mark it as a closing account so that it gets zeroed out at the end of the fiscal year when you run your year-end close process. You can give it a description, and then you would give it an account number. So generally speaking, asset accounts will begin with like 100 or 1000. Liability accounts will start at 200 or 2000. Equity accounts will be 300 or 3000. Um, Income accounts will be 400 or 4000, and expense accounts will be 500 or 5000. So since this is an asset account, we're going to give it a account number of 1000 or 1050. And then down here you have a little account history chart or account history grid where you can see all of the different transactions to this particular account. So once you're happy with the way that it looks, go ahead and hit save, and that'll create the account and it will be in your new chart of accounts. So if you want to sort it by number, just click the header, and now we see we have 1050. So that is the process of how to add an account to CloudBooks 365.